outside, no umbrella, no clear reason why. I thought maybe in this rain I could wash away your name, but the rain feels like you again. Cold like your last goodbye, sharp like every lie. Rain like you, falling through. Rain like you, cutting true. Every drop is hitting me, like your words in memory, soaking through just like that day when I gave my heart away. Rain like you, rain like you, I can't run, I can't undo. Under red lights we used to pause, now I walk there all alone because I thought the storm would fade your face, but even time can take your place. But the rain brings you back again. Echoes of your voice remain, washing me in silent pain. Rain like you, falling through. Rain like you, cutting true. Every drop is hitting me, like your words in memory, soaking through just like that day when I gave my heart away. Rain like you, rain like you, still reminds me what I knew. Try to lose you in the storm, but the rain made you reborn. Every step you're in the sound, falling all around. Rain like you, never ends. Rain like you, it never bends. You're the storm I walk into, even if I don't want to.